Let's learn Living Line Fun. It's choreographed by Roy Hadisubroto and Fiona Murray. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Living Line Fun. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot into your right, step your right foot forward, and then you're going to touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. We're now going to repeat that to the left, stepping your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot into your left, step your left foot forward and touch your right next to your left and clap. Now, if you would like to do the fun option for that part, you're going to make it into shoes. And instead of touching, you're going to hop and clap. So we're still going to step our right foot forward into the diagonal, but as we're doing it, we're going to bring our arms forward and back into shoot motion. So we're stepping right forward, left together, right forward, and then you're going to hop together and clap. Then you're going to do the same thing to the left, left, forward, right together, left, forward, hop together, and clap. The counts are exactly the same, so you can choose which one you would like to do. In the demo, I alternated between both so you can practice. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your shoot steps into the diagonal with your touch and clap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you would like to do the hopping version, it's the same counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to touch your left toe slightly forward. Step back with your left, touch your right toe slightly forward. Step back with your right, point your left toe to the left side. Step back with your left, point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. This one also has a regular option and a fun option. I will show you both. The regular option is a grapevine to the right with a touch and a clap. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, and clap your hands. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left, stepping your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left, and clap your hands. Let's try that with some counts, and then we'll show the fun option. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the fun option is to make those rolling grapevines. So you'll make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You'll make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You'll make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You'll touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. You're back at 12 o'clock. You're going to repeat that same thing to the left, making that quarter turn, stepping forward. Make a half turn, stepping back. Make a quarter turn, stepping to the side. Touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. The counts will be exactly the same as our grapevine, so your rolling grapevine will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do hip sways, so you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do that, you're going to sway your hips right, left, right, left. We're now going to do 2 8 pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make an 8 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 10:30, and then you're going to do that again. Stepping forward with your right, make that 8 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's do that with some counts, and then we'll talk about the fun options that you can add to that section. Weight is on your left, doing your hip sways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the fun options that you can do for that part is you can do hip rolls on your 2 little pivots, and if you would like to lasso on those pivots, you can. Those would be the fun options. The counts will be exactly the same. Now, you can choose to do the fun option for some of it and not all of it, or parts and not do it for the whole dance. That choice is yours. The fun option does make the dance a little bit more fun, and it can increase the difficulty a little bit. So you have that choice to add in whatever you would like. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. When I do it with steps, I will do it the regular way. When I do it with counts, we'll do the fun options. Weight is on your left, doing your step together into the diagonal. So it's right together, right touching back, left together, left touching back. Back touch forward, back point side, grapevine to the right with a clap, grapevine to the left with a clap. It's sway, 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 step 8, pivot, step 8, pivot. Let's try it with some counts. This is going to be the fun options. Weight is on your left, starting with your shoot step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. You will do your first grapevine or your first rolling vine, and that is where the music will end. So you'll just dance up to that part and end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. When we do the steps, I will do the regular version. When we do the counts, we will do the fun options. In the demo, I did the front and back walls as the fun options and the side as the regular, but when we walk through it, I'm going to do it opposite. Weight is on your left, starting with your step into the diagonal. So it's step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, point, grapevine with a clap, grapevine with a clap. Now your hips is right, left, 8 pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step back, step together, step back, touch, back, point, grapevine with a clap, grapevine with a clap. Now your hips right, left, 8 pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn living line fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.